e-learning, let us see class 10 Sanskrit, chapter number 12, Kalikala Sarvagyo, Hemchandracharya. Hemchandracharya. Hemchandracharya, the omniscient one in Kali. See the introduction part of the lesson. Kalikala Sarvagyo, Hemchandracharya is well reputed in cultural history of Gujarat. One full moon day of the month of Kartik in Vikram Samvat 1145, he was born in Dhanduka in Ahmedabad district. His name was Changadev. Now here they are giving us detailed information about Hemchandracharya, that he was born on full moon day of Kartik month and he born in Dhanduka in Ahmedabad district. His name was Changadev. When Hemchandracharya born, at that time his name was Changadev. At the age of 8, he was consecrated by Devchandra Suriji Maharaj at Khambat. Now he was known by the name Somchandra. At the age of 21, he acquired the position of Suri and was known by the name Hemchandra Suri. Now, at the age of 21, he acquired the position of Suri and afterwards his name was Hemchandra Suri. He studied different faculties of learning and expertised all the laws available in his time. So, he was expert in all the laws of his time. He bestows various faculties of learning with his own compositions or works. Because of his vast knowledge, he was entitled by Kalikala Sarvagya. Having conquered King Bhoja of Mala, Siddharaj Jainsinha with abundant wealth and prosperous storage of books, library, returned to Anhilpur, Patan. A group of learned went there to welcome him under the leadership of Hemchandra Suri. Now here they want to say us that Siddharaj Jaisingh had conquered on Malwa, and after returning from Malwa, he is having lots of wealth, abundant wealth, and also with that prosperous storage of book. Now, when he came at that time, learned people went there to welcome them under the leadership of Hemchandra Suri. It is said, Kirtiha Yashya Sah Jivati. He who has acquired fame remains alive. Though that the one who is acquiring wealth, he lives for a long time although he dies. Such inspirable fame is obtained not by wealth but by learning or Saraswati. Siddharaj Jainsinha, who had realized this fact, requested Hemchandracharya to compose literary work related to different subjects. Now, he honestly requested him to write a wonderful volume of a Sanskrit grammar. This volume is known as Siddhem Sabdanu Shasan. The lesson presented here is prepared keeping in mind this event of cultural history of Gujarat, the fact that one wishing to preserve his fame should worship literature in and focus here. Now here they want to say us that if you want to keep your fame alive, if you want to remain alive, then what you have to do? You have to acquire fame. Right? Here, let me start the lesson. Vikramasya Dvardashyam Satabdyam Siddharaj Jaisingh Mal Vijayam Krutva. Vikramasya means 12th century. Shatabdi means century and Dwardashya means 12th. Siddharaj Jaisi is the name of king Malav Vijayam Krutwan. Malav Vijay. Vijay means conquered, right? And Krutwan means did. So here they wants to say us that Siddharaj Jaisi conquered Malwa in the 12th century of the era, started by Vikramaditya. So, started by Vikramaditya. So, Vijayantaram Jaisinha Nrupate Yashovarnam Sarvam Dhanam Gruhitva Anhilpuram Pratyagatvan. Vijaya Anantaram, after the conquest, Jaisinha Nrupate, the king Jaisi means Siddharaj Jaisi, Yashovarnam is also the name of king, Sarvam Dhanam, all the wealth, Gruhitva, by taking Anhilpur is the name of a place, Pratyagatvan, came back. Now here see, Siddharaj Jaisi conquered Malwa in the 12th century, started by Vikramaditya era, right? And after the conquest, Jaisi returned to Anhilpur, taking all the wealth of the king Yashovarman. Dhanena sah tatratyah ग्रंथागारोऽपि तस्य हस्तगतो जातः. Dhanena sah. Dhan means wealth and sah means with. Dhanena sah, with the wealth. Tatratyah, of that place. Granthagaroऽपि. Granthagara plus api. So library also. Tasya, of his. Hastagato jatah. He obtained or he got. So what they wants to say, not only wealth, not only the wealth of King Yashovarman, but also he got the library of that king, right? So when they came back, they got wealth. Even the library that was there had fallen into his. So whatever books are there, that all books are of now Siddharaj Jaisi. अस्मिन् ग्रंथागारे बहवो अनुपमाः ग्रंथाः आसन्. अस्मिन् ग्रंथागारे, in this library, बहवो अनुपमाः, many extraordinary, बहवो अनुपमा, many extraordinary ग्रंथाः आसन्, books are there. तेषु भोजेन विरचितं सरस्वती कंठाभरण नाम्ना प्रसिद्धं भोजव्याकरणमपि एकतमम् आसीत्. तेषु, among that all books, भोजेन विरचितं, composed by King Bhoj, Saraswati Kantabharan namna, by the name Saraswati Kantabharan, Prasiddham means famous, Bhoj Vyakaranam api ekatamam asat. Bhoj Vyakaranam api ekatamam asit. So what they want to say us? They want to say us that they went there, they conquered Malwa, and after conquering they got abundant wealth of King Bhoj. Not only that, but also they got the library which is with full of books. So now here they want to say us that in this library there were many incomparable books, right? Treatises, and among them all, one was also Bhoj Vyakaran. Among them all, there was one also by the name Bhoj Vyakaran, famous by the name Saraswati Kantha Varna, and it is composed by King Bhoj itself. एकदा सिद्धराज विचारपथम आरूढ़. एकदा means once. सिद्धराज means सिद्धराज जैसे. विचारपथम आरूढ़. Arudha means the one who is sitting, and Vicharpatham means started thinking. So one day, once Siddharth Jainsi started thinking. Once Siddharth Jainsi started thinking. Sah achintayata. He thinks, Mal Vijayena aham dhanasya swamitvam praptavan. Mal Vijayena, by conquering Malwa. Aham means I, dhanasya swamitvam. Dhanasya means of the wealth, and swamitva means owner. Praptavan, I got. So he thinks once Siddharth started thinking, and he thought, I secured the ownership of the wealth by conquering Malwa. Tasya ग्रंथागारः अपि मया प्राप्तः. Tasya ग्रंथागार, of his library. Maya means to me. Praptah, acquired. And I also got their library, परंतु भोज व्याकरणेन भोजस्य यादृशी कीर्ति वर्तते तादृशी कीर्ति मया न प्राप्ता. परंतु means but भोज व्याकरणेन, the book which is written by King Bhoj, right? Bhoj Vyakaran. Bhojasya yadrushi kirti vartate. Bhojasya of King Bhoj, yadrushi, whatever kirti vartate, fame is there. Tadrushi, like that, kirti maya na prapta. Kirti means fame. I do not got. So here what he thinks. See, once Siddharth Jainsi started thinking. He thought that I secured the ownership of wealth, abundant wealth of King Bhoj by conquering Malwa. I also got the library. But the kind of fame Bhoj got, by Bhoj Vyakaran has not been won by me. अतः so एतादृशं किमपि करणीयम्. अतः means so, एतादृशं just like this, किमपि anything, करणीयं should be done. So I should do something that can give me fame. So yena, by which, madiya, to me or mine, kirtirapi tadrushi bhave yadrushi bhojyaste. Now he thinks that Bhoj has got abundant wealth, but also a fame, and whatever fame King Bhoj is having, like that type of fame, I do not want. So I should do something. Like it, by which my fame will also be like that of Bhoj. See, here we have seen half of the lesson in detail. Remaining lesson